Now that we know how to write a number using scientific notation, it's going to be easy to do the inverse. Basically, we need to understand that 5.6 times 10 to the fifth is the same thing as 5.6 times 100,000. Because the 5 exponent lets us know we have 5 zeros in the number 100,000. Well, the 5 exponent also lets us know that we're going to be moving the decimal to the right 5 places in the number 5.6, making it a larger number by moving that decimal 5 places, giving us 560,000. So 5.6 times 10 to the fifth is just 560,000 because we move our decimal 5 places to the right, making it a larger number, since we're multiplying 5.6 times a larger number than itself. Now let's look at 7.61 times 10 to the negative fourth. Well, we need to understand what 10 to the negative fourth is. 10 to the negative fourth is the same thing as 0.0001 or 1/10,000. So we're multiplying 7.61 times a smaller number. Therefore, when we move the decimal 4 places, we're going to move it backwards towards the left to make 7.61 a smaller number. So try that. So here we've moved the decimal backwards 4 places, giving us 0.000761, giving us 761 millionths. So when we have a positive exponent and we multiply, we'll end up with a bigger number. So we move the decimal towards the right, however many places we see in the exponent. And when we have a negative exponent, we are going to be getting a smaller number. So we move the decimal backwards, however many places we see in the exponent. And that's how we change from scientific notation back into standard or decimal form. So let's try a couple more examples. Try number 3. Hopefully you noticed that 4 times 10 to the first is the same thing as 4 times 1, since anything to the 0 power is 1. So 4 times 10 to the 0 is 1, and 4 times 1 is just 4. Now try number 4. Here, hopefully you recognize that 10 to the first power is just 10, therefore 6 times 10 is 60. Now try number 5. We end up with 9/10 because we have to move the decimal backwards 1 place to change this into standard form once we multiply the scientific notation. Move to the next page and go ahead and try the first 2 problems. Check your answers to numbers 1 and 2, and once you're confident with these, move on to the last 3 problems. Check numbers 3, 4, and 5 to make sure you understand them, and that is the end of this video.